This morning, the case of kidnapping, which case came to light, the incident happened around 9:30 in the morning, when three boys approached this girl and brought her to the car and forcibly took her away. The girl has been recovered. She is safely at home, and the police officers are along with her investigating the matter. The boys have been identified and they will be arrested soon.
Gurgaon police there holding a press conference saying that the girl who was kidnapped from outside a college in Gurgaon this morning has now been rescued. She is safely back home. But the entire incident, a chilling one really, taking place in broad daylight, was caught on a security camera. You can see in those pictures the CCTV footage clearly showing the girl being dragged into a car outside Gurgaon's DSD college. This happened around 9:45 in the morning, stopped by traffic in a crowded intersection. The car's doors fling open with the girl seen struggling to escape. That's what the footage clearly shows. The car, a white Maruti Swift, did not have a license plate according to eyewitnesses. The Gurgaon top cop there saying that the men have been identified and will be arrested soon. Tracking this story for us is my colleague Ishadrita, who now joins us with the very latest. Ishadrita, this is certainly a huge relief. The girl is now back. The police not revealing much. All that they're saying at the moment is that the kidnappers were known to the girl and will be arrested soon.
Well, Neha, of course, for the Gurgaon police, it was more like a wild goose chase because they had no information, about the car. As you said, the car did not have a number plate, or about the girl. They had received no missing complaint, and the entire case was basically formed around the CCTV footage and the very few eyewitness accounts that they had received. We are at the DSD college right now. At the time when this kidnapping happened, there was an exam going on, which is why there weren't even many students or people outside who had seen this incident. The good news, of course, as you said, is that the Gurgaon police has finally managed to crack the case. The girl is now safe, and the police is going to be prosecuting the people involved. They are, of course, tight-lipped because I'm sure the investigation in itself, given the conditions they were conducted in, the police didn't have much information. However, they worked fast. There was a special task force formed, and now good news for the girl that finally she's safe.